In this segment, we delve into the intricate relationship between manipulation and psychology. First, we define manipulation and its intersection with psychological principles. We then explore the critical role of comprehending human behavior in the context of attraction. Understanding the underlying psychological mechanisms is essential for effectively navigating interpersonal relationships and fostering genuine connections. This segment centers on unraveling the intricate art of persuasion. We embark on a journey to comprehend the fundamental principles that underpin persuasion, laying bare the psychological mechanisms at play. Additionally, we shed light on the pivotal role that persuasion plays in the realm of attraction, elucidating how it influences and shapes interpersonal dynamics, ultimately impacting the way individuals are drawn towards each other. In this segment, we delve into the profound impact of body language on attraction, deciphering the subtle yet potent signals it sends. Furthermore, we venture into the realm of subliminal cues, unraveling the profound effect they wield in influencing others, often operating beyond conscious awareness. Understanding and harnessing these nonverbal communication cues can be instrumental in shaping and enhancing interpersonal connections. This segment navigates the realm of emotional triggers, shedding light on the intricate factors that deepen attraction. By identifying and comprehending these triggers, individuals can forge stronger emotional connections, fostering deeper bonds with others. We also emphasize the profound significance of cultivating a robust emotional connection, underscoring its pivotal role in nurturing and sustaining meaningful relationships. In this segment, we underscore the ethical dimension of utilizing psychological techniques, emphasizing the paramount importance of ethical conduct. Furthermore, we offer valuable guidelines for employing these techniques in a principled and respectful manner, highlighting the significance of upholding integrity and empathy in all interpersonal interactions.